So hey guys, I wanted to do a quick update on the Harley Davidson. Sorry, I just finished eating dinner and I just got inspired to just come out here and do this. So I had a great day today, went out with my daughter, went up to some back roads to a little town in Winters, and just had a great day. My confidence was so up. I took twisties, downshifted, upshifted. I mean, I just had a great day. I love riding. Excuse me. So we came back. Let me turn this around. So we came back home, and my daughter had time to go ahead and put the slammers on the Harley. And this is her. Here she is. The 2018 Harley Davidson Sportster Super Low. I love everything about her. I mean, she's beautiful. We've done some improvements on her, but she now has her slammer shocks, and I could sit on her and my feet are planted flat on the ground and not a problem. I didn't even feel like I would be sliding. So I took her out for a test ride. Mind you, I have not been on her in quite some time, and I can tell you she scared the shit out of me. Now here is the Honda Rebel, which I took out. Most of you know, if you've been following me, that I went from a Rebel to the Harley and then back to a Rebel, and I made some improvements. Well, not much of improvements, but I got these little saddlebags, which I have a video that I need to put up, and I've been going all over town with her. Now this beauty right here is actually my daughter's bike, and if you're not following her, please follow her, Kill Switch Queen, on YouTube and Instagram. This is a beauty, and she can handle this sucker like nobody's business. But back to the Harley. She scared the shit out of me today. Now I've been riding the Rebel, and I've gone from a 250 feeling comfortable, being able to shift easily, duck walking the bike, to her, the Harley, and she scared me. I mean, the power between both bikes is so big difference in my opinion, that I just felt like I don't know if I can handle her. Maybe she's too torquey, which I feel like she is. I mean, I barely with the Rebel, when I'm holding like this, I let out and boom, it catches. But here I have to let her out quite a ways before she catches, and when she catches, she is gone. I mean, gone. And I stalled out once. I took her around the neighborhood for a little bit, and I just thought to myself, I don't know if I could pull this off. My daughter was waiting for me when I got back, because she told me, go on, take her out. And so I did. Let me turn this around. And I felt like I was scared. I'm gonna be honest, I was scared, and she said the look on my face was not a good one. Like a deer in headlights is how she put it. And so I'm going to continue to practice on the Honda Rebel. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the Harley, to be honest with you. I'm going to try and take her out. No, I'm going to take her out in between riding the Rebel. Excuse me, I had tuna fish. But I don't know if I'm going to keep her, because I don't know what happened in between not riding the Harley and riding the Rebel. Where did my confidence go when I originally got her? Somewhere along the way I lost the confidence in riding the Harley and gained confidence in riding the Rebel. I'll be honest, I really love this little Rebel, and if I could find a bike just like this that has a little bit more power, then I would be so happy. I want to be able to go on long rides. I want to be able to Golden Gate Bridge. I'm a city girl, born and raised, and I want to take my bike on the Golden Gate Bridge. But clearly, this does not have the power to do that. I mean, I am really rolling on that throttle at 55, so it would have to be a bike that has a little bit more power. I just don't know what to do. But I'm going to take my daughter's advice right now and just continue to practice on the Rebel and practice and practice and practice. And then I will occasionally take her out, maybe a couple more times. And if I feel like I'm just not comfortable on her, she's going up for sale. Like my husband said, you know, if she frightens you, if you're not comfortable, you could put yourself in danger, and I don't want to do that. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. We'll see what happens. So thanks for sticking around. I will keep you updated on what I decide to do. Thanks for watching.